Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I am gonna tell you about Realme having difficulty in connecting uh, network problem. So how you can fix it in Realme smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe it. So let's start friends. So first you have to go to settings. Then friends you have to click on search and click on reset. Here it is, reset phone. So friends, first you have to open your settings. Then friends you have to go to apps. Then click on app management. Here it is search. You have to write here system. Then you have to clear cache this system first. Then friends you have to press back. Again you have to go to search and write here Google, like this. Then friends you have to just clear cache this also and simply press back. Friends, then you have to search here Google Play Services. You have to just write here it is Google Play Services. Click on storage and usage, just clear cache it, and you can clear data also. And if you have network issue, then you can just simply press this airplane mode for 10 seconds, so it will refresh your network like this. Then you have to turn it off. Then friends you have to restart your device if it is not working. Then friends, if it is not working, then you can just go to settings, click on search, click on reset here, like this. Tap on reset phone. Here it is reset network. You have to verify, then click on reset. It will fix your issue. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.